Hi everyone, this short video is all about flutter tonguing. And classical music composers like Gershwin, Bernstein, Tchaikovsky, Mahler, Britten, Schoenberg, Shostakovich, and many others have called for this technique on various instruments. This technique is certainly used in jazz as well. Cootie Williams with the Duke Ellington Orchestra certainly comes to mind. In this video, I'll show you how to flutter tongue and highlight a couple of ways to use it as a practice tool. If you have trouble rolling your R's, stick around to the end and I'll show you an alternative way to create the same effect. Flutter tonguing is simply rolling your R's while you play. It takes a little practice to form the embouchure around the flutter tongue, but can be practiced without the trumpet at first to get a feel for it. More and more trumpet players and teachers are using this technique as a way to work on steady airstream and keeping your air forward, which can allow for more efficient trumpet playing. Also, flutter tonguing can help train us where to place the tongue, especially when you're alternating back and forth between flutter and regular tonguing. If you have trouble rolling your R's, you can use a technique where you hum while you play and it can create the same effect. So without the trumpet, try forming the embouchure, use an air pattern, and hum on no particular pitch. Again, I would practice this away from the trumpet to get the sensation and then try it on the trumpet itself. If you like this video, check out this short video that shows 20 epic trumpet sound effects. If you find value here, click like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.